This is a video to show you how MISTA can work with keyword-based testing with the robot framework. First, we'll open up our Xmin file for the light switch program. You can see here's a model of the program. We can actually use MISTA to simulate various states. You can see when we play, shows various states over here on the side. When you exit that, it'll create a log file showing your simulation. Now we will go to the MIM tab. If there are any objects for the program, they will be shown here. There aren't in this case. Here are some methods the program uses. One is flip switch 1 and the other is flip switch 2. You can see these are the model names for them, and here's the actual implementation of that code. And then we can go to accessors. Accessors used to check the state of the object. In this case, we're checking if lights are on or off. And here you can see again the model level interpretation of it, whereas here's our actual implementation code. And if we had any mutators, they'd be shown here. Now we take a look at our helper code. This is used to help set up and tear down of the program. See, there is test setup right there, and it actually removes a file at the test setup to make sure that it can run. Here is our testing goal. We're looking at a reachability tree, and like I said, it used keyword-based testing of the robot framework. We go to tests and options to set up our configurations for this test generation. We actually want to create goal tags. Goal tags are just to help you know what's going on in the test case. I'll show you a little bit when we generate the test code. Go ahead and click apply. We can do test, generate test code, and it'll generate a bunch of test cases for us. And you can see here some tags. This one's labeled home because it's going to the initial state. The initial state is light on, so it tests a bunch of stuff, then returns to the initial state. You can see tags for this one, both on, home, one off. It's testing all these test cases. So tags are just a way to help you label the test case, to let you know what's going on. And then we can go ahead and run this by going to command line and doing pybot followed by your text file with the generation code. You can see all the tests passed, and it actually even created output and log files as well as a report file, which can be found in the directory where you ran this. And that is tutorial MISTA for the robot framework.